Hello, welcome to the IELTS free demo class. This class is powered by Quantum Ideas Limited. So, in this class, we will discuss why we are problems. So, in our 39 class, we will solve these problems, all these problems. So, let's get started. The reason to face problems in each criteria. So, for reading and listening, why you are facing problem in reading and listening? We are just testing ourselves rather than learn. We start our learning, but instead of that, we just test ourselves. This is the main problem. We are not taking preparation based on questions. We don't take preparation based on questions. But in real IELTS test, we will just face questions. So we need to take preparation based on questions. Every time we are trying to practice reading and listening, we end up with a specific full one test. This is another problem. For writing section, our intention is to practice hundreds or thousands of questions. This is our intention. Practice hundreds of thousands of questions. In most cases, we start our writing with the task 1. Well, task 2 is contain 66% of total mark. So if you start with the task 1, you will get less time to plan for your task 2. But task 2 contains 66% of your total mark. So start with the task 1 is a mistake. We do not make any proper plan before start our writing. We don't make any plan before we start our writing. We always start writing, and in the middle of the sentence, we think about what to write to finish the sentence. So why these things are happening? These things are happening because one thing is peeping through our mind. What is that? Time is running out. But is it? Let's see a mathematical terms. For the writing task 1, we need to write 150 words. Standard is 170. Writing task 2, we need to write 250 words. Standard is 270. For total 440 words. I will request you to write a word understand. I don't think it will take more than 3 or 4 seconds. But in real IELTS test, we will write less smaller than understand word. So if we take 5 seconds for each word, for 440 words, we will need 2200 seconds, which is around 37 minutes. So if we plan for task 1 for 3 minutes, plan for task 2 for 5 minutes, revise 5 minutes. This is total 13 minutes. So 37 plus 13, that is 50 minutes. We have 10 minutes add-ons for our writing. That is 47 minutes. But we need to have a very good plan. We will teach you that how to make a very good plan. For a speaking portion, why you are facing problem in this section, we always look for millions of questions. We always look for. Our intention is to practice huge number of topics rather than learn one and answer all. In most cases, we look for previous question. It's not the problem to look for previous questions. But why we look for previous question? We don't look for the previous question not to get an idea of the pattern of the question, but to practice. No, first learn, then practice. But you will never ever get anything common in IELTS. Yes, you will never ever get anything common in IELTS. So it's not about how many did you practice or learn, but answer anyone by following just one strategy. We'll teach you that. So follow our next demo class. You will learn what we will teach you in our 39 classes in that demo class. Till then, thank you.